Today, we're making Grandma's soy garlic popcorn chicken. You can eat this as a snack, with rice, or even with french fries. This bite-sized chicken is packed full of soy sauce and garlicky flavor that is just delectable. So, let's get cooking. Chop 2 bunches of green onions. Crush 8 cloves of garlic. And cut 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs into about 1-inch bite-sized pieces. We'll add about 3 cups of low sodium soy sauce and give it a good mix. Allow to marinate for at least 6 hours to really let the marinade soak into the chicken. When ready, we'll pour out some cornstarch. This is what gives us a crispy outside to each bite. We'll toss each piece in the cornstarch and load it into the air fryer. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll spritz the chicken with some oil and allow to cook for 10 minutes. Be sure to give the basket a shake after about 5 minutes for best results. We'll go ahead and remove the finished chicken and repeat for the rest. And there we have Grandma's soy garlic popcorn chicken. Honestly, these taste good even when they're cold and are just yummy to eat as a snack. You can of course freeze these and reheat in the air fryer, but I personally love eating these with some rice and veggies. Let me know how it goes in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.